Specifications. Dimensions: 3.5 by 2.7 by 2.3. The 5 FT long 3-core power cord offers convenient installation wherever you need, and the adjustable flow regulating valve lets you control the water flow rate, so you can get just the amount of water pressure you want. Max flow rate: 480 GPH, 1800 L/h. Max lift height: up to 7.2 feet. Watt: 25 W. Voltage: AC 110 volts. Detachable cleanable. This compact water pump is easy to hide or disguise, and no need for any specialized tools to disassemble or clean it. Optional outlet positions. Place the pump flat and rotate the water outlet to a variety of positions, whatever your heart desires. Wide range of applications. This high-performance energy-efficient pump works great in ponds, fountains, waterfalls, hydroponic systems, and irrigation systems and so on. Working temperature: 39 to 95. 4X suction cups. The 4X suction cups are strong and require no extra tools to secure. You can affix your pump vertically or horizontally as needed. Top reviews from the United States. Great for tower garden. I bought this for my 3D printed tower garden. I have it on a 5 minutes on 15 minutes off timer and it has worked flawless for the past 2 months. The tower garden is 7 feet tall and this pumps the water up that high with no issues. Recommend.